There's really no limit to what you could explore. It's all about finding something new in the familiar and letting that curiosity drive you. Hi, I'm Joseph Lidgerwood, chef owner of Evett. I've worked in kitchens across the world, the US, London, Denmark, learning each place's culture and philosophy around food. When I finally landed in Korea, what struck me was the incredible energy of seasonal ingredients and the time-honored depth of fermentation culture. That alone was enough reason to start Evett. Every single ingredient has its own character. Even the same ingredient can taste and look completely different, depending on where and who it comes from. To find the best ingredients and the people behind them, I filled my days with small journeys. Through those travels, I met amazing people and we built something unique at Evett by sharing cultures and experiences. That's the path we've always followed. In this journey with Genesis and Michelin, the food we're sharing starts from that same perspective. A seasonal Korean tile fish dish paired with a chicken fat beurre blanc. A rich Hanu beef course completed with wild garlic and juniper oil. And Evett's signature acorn snack. We're preparing a special dinner at Evett, reimagining Korean cuisine in a modern way. When that vision is recognized, it opens up new doors. With that same beginner's mindset, I want to dig even deeper into the world within Korean ingredients. And on that journey, Evett will keep discovering and keep growing.